We're going to go in the water at 7 o'clock in the morning? I think your Scarlet's a bad dog up on my table. Poor Luna. She came all the way from Portugal. Luna and Charlie, they were abandoned living under a tree. The poor things, huh? And they're such good puppies. And we're going to take real good care of them, okay?
Uh-oh.
And there's Bad Bodie. Look at, he's laying down now, pretending he's good.
Hi.
Charlie, don't get in the picture now. Everybody's so nosy, huh?
Hi there.
Yes, Violet brought you the alligator. And that's Splash, right? She has new puppies that we visited. Everybody, you would think it's nap time. It's not nap time. Tell them. We gotta go have breakfast.
Breakfast.
Right.
Breakfast. Correct. Right.
Should we take them home and have breakfast? You want to go home?
No.
Violet watches you around the water, doesn't she? She could pull you out. If you need help, you just hold on to Violet. You could, if you're in the water and you fall, you hold on to Violet's tail. Are you silly? Hey, Charlie.